Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these chairs. This is a 4 set of mid-modern chairs. These are so nice. I love how comfortable they are. They've got a nice wide seat here, and you can lean all the way back on them because the back is really high. Speaking of the back, it's got a nice walnut finish to it. It's got really nice PU leather all the way across the entire front of it. And the legs are all metal, which makes them really durable. I'm going to bring you in here close so you can take a look at these awesome chairs, but they look so nice at my dinner table that I just need to show you all the cool features. So here's a look at the chairs up close. They have a nice seashell almost pattern across here with really pretty quilting all the way through. It's got a nice padding on both the seat and on the backrest. And then here is this pretty wood all throughout the whole back. And then it comes down into your metal legs here. And the metal legs actually have adjustable feet on them. So if you did have an uneven surface, you could just easily adjust these feet to make it to where it is not wobbly. So these chairs are really nice. They do hold 330 pounds of weight on this mid-century chair. I got 4 in this set, and they look absolutely beautiful at my kitchen table.